Hello everyone and welcome on the Keyapp YouTube channel, the company that helps your applications to achieve top positions in search on Google Play and App Store. And today we decided to discuss some questions from you, from our clients. So we chose some questions you usually ask in support team or while communicating with your personal manager, and we will do our best to give as precise answers as possible. So let's start. In general, our team of support and account managers helped me to gather the most frequently asked questions from you, and I will do my best to answer them as short as possible and as precise as possible so you could have the general understanding of the way we work and how we can help applications to achieve the best possible results in the promotion. And the first question I have in my list is, what regions or countries do you recommend targeting for keyword installs to maximize the return on investment? In general, it is a kind of tricky question because we do understand that some applications may be country targeted, and then in such cases we recommend to start the promotion there if the application was created for the particular audience. But if we are talking about the application that actually open worldwide, of course, first of all, we pay attention to the United States as the most popular region where users have the highest possibility to buy in-app purchases, to make subscriptions, and so on. So if you have worldwide open application, of course, pay attention to the United States, but also please pay attention that this is the most competitive region. And secondly, also you can pay some attention to tier 1 countries, for example, Canada, Australia, Japan, but it already depends on the way your application is optimized and actually if it is optimized for these countries. The second question I have is, how do you ensure that keywords installs appear natural and do not raise red flags with App Store algorithm? So first of all, what I should to say is that we work in this niche. We work with keyword promotion already for 9 years, and of course we have some experience how to produce the installs so to make them safe for your application. Of course, from our side, we do everything possible to make the installs look as natural as possibly, and actually we do all the adjustment according to the changes and according to the situation on the store. But please also pay attention to the strategy you use for promotion, because we don't understand if you use 1000 installs daily for the keyword while your application has 5 installs daily organically. It is not natural, and store will pay attention to this. So it is a kind of combination, the quality from us and the right strategy chosen at your side or with the help of our managers. The third question I have is, what's your process for handling some issues during a campaign? So as far as I understand, the campaigns, some active campaigns are meant, and for example, if some ranks going down or there are some issues with the deliveries, of course, at our side, we do everything possible so to deliver the installs as correctly as it is needed, as you said in your account. But we don't understand that some technical issues, maybe, for example, and in such cases, of course, we are trying to solve as soon as possible with our technical team. And also we provide all the information that actually needed for you to understand what is going on with your order on our platform. And of course, also at our side, if you have some issues with ranks or with the campaign process, we have managers who can explain everything, who can help and who can check everything with our team so to provide the feedback for you. And if we don't understand that we, for example, used a right strategy but the results are not as expected, of course we are open to any discussions so to help you to solve this situation and to get the best possible result. And actually the plus of availability of our managers, because you always have someone to ask some questions about the promotion, platform, strategy, and so on. And the final question is, why should we choose Keyapp instead of other platforms? And to be honest, we do understand that nowadays there are a lot of platforms that actually provide keyword promotion. But of course, I can say that our platform and our company has some advantages, and we do understand that first of all, we are the platform that is being on the market for 9 years. So you can only imagine what kind of experience we have and how many issues we faced during this time on Google Play, on App Store, and how many changes actually we observed. Secondly, of course, we do have the platform. For some, maybe it is more convenient to work with some other stuff like some tables, etc. But of course, we do understand that it is extremely convenient for you as a client to have the platform, to have an account where you can log in, check all the statistics, top up balance, check the positions. And it is really needed when you work in this niche and in the niche of app marketing in general. Of course, also we don't understand that we have different bonuses, discounts, sales, and we are always open to discussion regarding the prices. Like you can contact our support team, your personal manager, and you will see how open we are to any discussion for partnership. And of course, like one of the most important advantages is the availability of our team who are always open to help you. And like you can contact our support team, your personal manager anytime, and we will do the best we can so to help you to get positive results in your app promotion. So if you have some questions, once more time, do not hesitate to contact our support team, your personal manager, or just leave them here in comments and we will be happy to answer and of course to create the best strategy for your application promotion.